Well, good morning everybody. I've just been out into the garden to pick what I can. Yesterday I picked those tomatoes and those. Today I've just picked these little chaps. They've just been in soak just to get any residual dirt off them. That's those draining. I'm going to wash these later on because they need soapy water. Some more tomatillos. Almost the last of them because they've been under a lot of strain. Now the other thing I've picked are some more blackberries. Even though the blackberry looks really sick and sad, it is still producing lots of berries. So they've been soaking in water with vinegar in them. So if there's any nasties in there, that sort of makes them float out. And just give them a rinse because we don't want the smell of the vinegar. And then I'm just going to pick them individually and feel what's going on with them. Because we only want the best. Like this, for example, the whole thing came off. So I don't want the rest of that. Take all the green stalks off. Now, it's a good year this year for brambles in the wild, but we don't tend to gather them apart from when we're out on a walk just to eat. That one's a bit soft. Yeah. So because it's producing so well, oops, I want to get these in the freezer, so I'll show what I do to prepare them. Like I say, they've been picked, they've been rinsed. Just getting rid of any other rubbish. We don't freeze everything, we just freeze when we get a huge abundance, because if they're nice and soft but not going over, I dry them and put them in the fridge and we have them on our cereals and in our porridge. See, that's another one. It's a little bit underripe, but he'll do. You can't help picking a few red ones, it's just the way it goes. It's a bit awkward, but hopefully you can see okay and I won't block the camera. I like to put them onto kitchen roll. Gives me a chance to do a final check, like I've missed one there. And there's one escaping. Just get them into a single layer. Come back. Just give them a light pat. Now, I used to use a Swiss roll tin for this, but I've since got rid of it. And then I just like to make them as a single layer. if we can. One more. It's not the end of the world if it's not a single layer, but I'm going to freeze all of these. Some more on the other one. Okay, so there you have, so look, can you see? There you have 2 containers of blackberries, or brambles, I refer to them as, that's their other name. They will now go open like that in the freezer until tomorrow morning, when they'll be brought out, put into a Ziploc bag, put a straw in through, seal the bag, put a straw into the last inch, suck as much air out as you can, and then seal it, label it, date it, put it in the freezer, and you can use it all the way through winter for putting in porridge, rice puddings, making apple and bramble crumbles, or making some jam. So it's only a short video, but I thought you might enjoy the process.